Where do I start? I have filmed the most expensive B-roll of my entire life a few days ago. This is what happened. I was naively making myself a great cup of coffee, but it was probably the most expensive cup of coffee that I ever done in my entire life. I was filming with this Sony A5100 camera. Amazing camera. Kind of expensive camera if you ask me. So I dropped this in my sink that was full of water. And now this is dead. I decided to get a new camera and I got the Sony Zv1 Mark II. And this vlog is me waiting for the delivery and also a workout and meals. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let's get started. How can I say that? Oh, I'm kidding. But I'm so excited. So I am currently on my lunch break and I had to wash my hair because they were filthy. And right before I start hair drying my hair, I'm going to have a light Babybel cheese because I'm starving and I want to get my hair dry before I eat my lunch, which I am going to show you what it is and the protein that I meal prepped this weekend. Let's eat this snack and get on with the thing that I enjoy the least, blow drying my hair. Also, while I am in the kitchen, I'm going to prep my half decaf iced coffee for the afternoon. And I still have a few minutes to edit. Alright, total change of plan. It's so nice outside. I decided to go get my Kindle and read my book. I'm reading Flock by Kate Stewart right now. It's a book that I've seen a lot on TikTok and people were all raving about it, and I didn't read the synopsis, so I didn't know what I was signing up for. It's good, not what I was expecting. It's spicy, so be aware. For now, let's go read in the sun. So my lunch break is unfortunately officially over. I am going to pour myself my iced coffee and get back to work. I'm thinking of getting my laptop downstairs to work because the light is so much nicer than in my office. I think I'm gonna change my workplace, and it's always good because it changes like the environment, and I'm gonna put on music and I'm gonna finish that work day. Then I'm gonna go and get my daughter, and I will also be able to see Amazon delivery while it happens, and I'm so excited. I really hope it's going to happen before I go get my daughter. So I will let you know when it gets here, but I'm so excited. Also, quick note, I also wanted to mention that I've been adding this coffee syrup that is sugar-free in my coffee, my iced coffee, because I don't like it in hot coffee, but in iced coffee I do my coffee, ice, almond milk, and then I add this bad boy, just a tiny bit, just to make it a little bit sweet after lunch. This literally does the trick. I'm so excited. I have to get back to my mom. We went to swim at her place in her pool, and I got a notification that it was delivered, so I run back to my place, which is like just a few minutes from hers, and now I have my baby. So we're going to do a little unboxing later on, just because my daughter is at my mom and we're gonna have dinner there. I won't be able to do a fun unboxing with my kid, so we'll see each other later with my new baby. Hi, so this is me shooting for the first time on my camera. I'm so excited to see how this will turn out when I will be editing. Now I have a meeting in a few minutes. I just wanted to record my first shot with my new camera, and afterwards on my lunch break I will bring you along with me for a workout. Also still in my office. I hope the audio quality is good. I'm getting my new mic today from Amazon for all the shooting that I will be doing in my house. But yeah, I thought I would be sharing with you the outfit of the day. So this is a Zara dress that I got last year, and it's probably my favorite dress that I own. It's super comfortable and I love the look. All of my jewelries are from Etsy. So I have obviously my Apple Watch, my wedding ring and wedding bands, and oh, I forgot to put on my bracelet today. I'm gonna go do that right after. I have this diamond necklace and this gold necklace, and I don't have earrings. Give me a second. Now that we have the jewels on, so these bracelets are from Etsy, and I have these earrings from Ana Luisa. Love them, they're super cute. So the next clip should be me working out, and yeah. So quick outfit check. This bra from Vitality. I love this bra so much, and I have on my Lululemon biker shorts. So let's get this workout started. great workout. So I did a Madeleine Move workout and then a 10-minute cycling, and then obviously finished with some handstand. And I often get asked what my workout split is. So I usually do Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I have Saturday and Tuesday off, and it depends on the week, but I usually have like strength training and then Pilates, and then 2 days of strength training, and then I do on Friday yoga to relax and some mobility. So yeah, and like I said, all of my workouts are about 30 to 45 minutes max, and I feel like that's what the most realistic for me, because I most of the time do it on my lunch break and I'm on a time crunch, and I know that's something that I can be consistent on. Now I'm gonna go and take a walk with my dog. I'm gonna eat the same lunch as I did yesterday, so Lily eats and tells chicken with salad and rice. I think I'm gonna conclude the vlog here because tonight I'm a solo mom. My husband works late tonight. I don't think I will be able to get as much footage as possible tonight with my daughter, and also I want to edit this vlog tonight. So that's all, you guys. I hope you enjoy spending the day with me. I hope the quality of my new camera is as great as I hope, and I will see you guys in the next one.